So if you are new to kvCORE or new as far as being an agent and new to like lead generation, starting your business, or you're new to kvCORE, meaning you have already got a bunch of leads and now you're moving them into the kvCORE system, what I want to share with you is really a step back from the actual technology and talk to you a little bit about like kvCORE for beginners and the things that you need to know before just diving in deep into the technology. And sometimes when we do this step back, right, before like looking at this screen and this screen, it's a good idea just to kind of understand and hear the purposes and the pros and the cons of it. And then if you would like to have more like demos and step-by-step, then there are lots of videos in my channel here, as well as I have some courses that one of them is amazing for, again, if you're a new agent and you're just getting started with your business and you want to generate leads and you want to, explore or definitely use kvCORE, or you're an experienced agent or you have leads but you're new to the system, that this is called the Set Up the Lead Gen course. And the whole idea of that is really to make sure that you really understand like how the design and what a CRM system is genuinely supposed to do to enhance and maximize the use of your customer journey with technology, or you could say the use of technology with and along your customer journey, right? And so again, the purpose of a CRM, right? And again, if you know this already, it's okay, but I just want to say it. The purpose of a CRM really is the customer relationship, right? CRM, customer relationship management. So the leads come in, right? We generate them from a lot of different sources, and I'll talk about what kvCORE can do, but the leads come in, and the whole idea is that the CRM is supposed to be able to track our customer relationship and everything that happens from start to finish, and then continue to build the relationship as the years go by, right? For example, myself, I've been using technology and CRMs since I went into real estate, quite frankly, in 2004. I come from a technology background, so it was like always inherent that of course I had a database. I used to build this stuff, right? And so anyway, when we can track our leads and our consumers and our clients and customers, all those words we like to say, for 15 years, 20 years, and we start doing repeat business and repeat business, the relationship and what we can remember about them and we can track them and document it gets deeper and deeper over time, right? And so we can remember, for example, things like, hey, I remember, gosh, it's already been since 2005 since we did business together, right? When I genuinely have a client who calls me and said, oh my gosh, I'm ready to buy again. And of course, I want to use you again. Can you believe that it's already been since 2005, which in this recording would have been 18 years ago. If we could put into our kvCORE system, hashtag past client, how about hashtag close 2005? So when we can use the technology of our CRM to start being able to glance real quick and remember, like, where did we know them from? How did we find them originally? Yes, you came to my open house all the way back in, Penderbrook, and I can't believe that it's been since 2005 since we worked together and you bought that townhouse, etc. Right? So the idea is that we can also use the technology like kvCORE has that is like hashtags so that we can kind of label people. There's a lot of uses for a hashtag, but then we can have them know that we know them for longer. Okay, that's a really basic kind of fundamental, but if you're new to it, or hopefully if you're not and you just picked up some tips there, we want to make sure that we label them thinking about the short and the long-term part of this. Okay, so the other thing about the CRM system, when you're working outside of particularly like real estate, then you have like customer support can log in, if you have Salesforce or ActiveCampaign, customer support can log in and see all the prior notes. Well, as you expand your real estate business, if we are good about taking our notes, like I just mentioned there, all the way back from when I started or along the journey now, or kind of reverse documenting it. Now, let's say that you are in a team or you want to expand into a team or you want to have an assistant that can come behind you. When they can see those notes, the experience on the customer journey is equally as good, because when they call in, when they inquire, right, your assistant, your buyer agent can be like, wow, it's been 18 years since you worked with Kim. How's your house doing, right? Are you getting our market reports? And so that experience on the other side is great. So that's kind of your customer support, customer service concept that most other businesses use. So that like when we call any place and then they see that past history, yes, I see your notes. I see you called in here last year. I see that Kim met you a year and a half ago. I see that you came to our event 2 years ago, etc. How's your family doing? So I want to just really make sure that we emphasize on the CRM, the customer relationship management. It's very, very important. So when we go into there, then we integrate like Google. So we have our emails into our regular email, but then that is also reflected in our CRM. Then we also, again, can have it all in one place, right? These are fundamental things that on the other side, it makes it a better experience for the consumer. All right, so then the other thing is, like, when it comes to kvCORE, there are a lot of features, right? And so when we dive deep into this, you can get a little bit lost. And again, that's where the Set Up the Lead Gen course is. And then also they have like the website. And so we have a website boot camp, I call it. This is also now an on-demand. And then I actually have my own lead framework that I use, and I harness the power of kvCORE. So as you want to progress along, we have more information about that. You can check the link. If you want to know more, you can also drop your email in there, and we'll make sure that you get some tips and tricks and more information about this. But the important thing is that to take this in, kvCORE is an all-in-one platform. I'm sure you already know that, but if not, an all-in-one platform means that we can have all of our information about our consumers in one place, right? We have our website front end, and then we can use their marketplace, and they have a lot of tools that are available for us that we can then go and do lead generation, right? And so we have our front end, our brand, our niche is exposed, right? Then we can generate leads through their marketplace. They have a lot of great tools. Then the leads come in and they're harnessed in the database features of the CRM, but they're more advanced, so they have a lot of other features than like the automation and the campaigns that allow us to replicate exactly what we do so that we can scale, right? And so just from a concept for, this is like, kvCORE for beginners, but then also it's not just the beginner in the real estate industry, it's beginning to work with kvCORE, so that when we just step back and go, okay, marketplace, lots of great places for lead generation, but the front end is a great place that we can expose our brand and our niche if we know how to do it. And then on the back end of the kvCORE, there are amazing tools that allow us to optimize our website. So if you want to see like how to really make your brand stand out, how to develop your niche, how to leverage all the analytics, how to do like blogging, which lead sources are great, which ones aren't, how to set up your profiles, how to set up your daily schedule, how to put in automations and campaigns. See, that's now when we start to get into overwhelm, right? But again, I have a great model of how I help people really master your database and make your millions. So again, you can check the link below and you can find out about my courses. You can get some tips and tricks, or you can simply put your email down below and say, put your email and be like, I want more, right? And we'll get you all set up. So again, that's for beginners to understand. Like at the end there, I'm like, now we have this and we have this and we have this, but just understand it's the whole journey. It is a great platform because it's all in one, that you can put all your leads in one place. You can have your website in one place. You can do your lead generation externally from other sources and bring them in. Also, kvCORE has a lot of really great tools that helps you with your lead generation, right? So that you don't have to learn that all on your own. Then when the leads come in, then you have all the automation that they call the campaigns, and then there's templates you can put in there. And then in the templates, then it'll have like emails and texts and calls, and again, that's where we get overwhelmed. So the Set Up the Lead Gen is kind of your first place to make sure you know how to optimize it. Walks you through there in a very logical pattern. I'm a very logical person, but I have a ton of sales experience, so I really leverage it and harness it in a way that, how do I take my business and put in the kvCORE system where it belongs so that my business can scale and I can keep track of thousands of leads over time. All right, so hopefully that just gives you, again, a step back, when we dive into the technology, we can get a little bit overwhelmed. So hopefully this helps you understand kvCORE, the really important features and the concepts of it, and then you can dive deeper into the click this and click that, but more importantly, the role that it plays in your business, and so that you can scale. And really the whole goal is to give you your life, your time back exponentially, increase the experience that you have with your customers so you can have increased lead conversion. And then what happens then? We have more closing. So if you have found this helpful, I am so glad that you are here and made it this far. Do me a favor and make sure that after you subscribe, that you turn on the notifications so that you can get more videos like these when I post them. And again, if you have some questions, comment below, and I'd love to see you in our courses so that I can help you increase your success with my kvCORE Mastery Series, where you really can then master your database and make your millions. I'll see you next time.